Assalamu alaikum, grade 5. This is the summary video for today lesson. Subject Science, Class 5, Unit 3, and a State of Matter, Lesson 3.4, Evaporation from a Solution. From your learner book, page number 40 and 41, and your homework for today from activity book, page number 26. So let's have first of all learning objective. Know that evaporation occurs when a liquid turns into a gas. Knows that when a liquid evaporates from a solution, the solid is left behind because the liquid evaporates, so the remaining thing solid. Let's start lesson 3.4 evaporation from a solution. Learning objective first of all, vocabulary word dissolve, solute, crystal, solution, and solvent. I also discussed in the class about these vocabulary word. Most of the salt we put on our food comes from seawater. Obviously, it comes from seawater. How can we get salt from seawater? Simple. I told you before in the last quarter, when we put the water in a heaty place, the water evaporated, and the remaining thing stay there. So the salt, it's not fly away. It's solid, so it stay away, and the water fly away. So the remaining thing, salt. So how can we get the salt from the seawater? Same like this condensation process. Solution. Some materials can dissolve in water or other liquids. Like sugar, if you put the sugar in water, so it's dissolved. A material that dissolved from solution, materials that dissolve from solution always have two parts. Always have two parts. So what is the solution? Solution, when you're making two things, solvent and solute, so the combination of both or mixture of both become solution. So solutions always have two parts, solute and solvent. What is solute? The material that is dissolved. What about solvent? The liquid in which the solute dissolved, like water, like water, the liquid, and solute like sugar. Salt work as used to extract salt from seawater using evaporation process. So you can see according to the slide, it's easy to describe for you. This is the water. Okay, when you put heat, so the water evaporate. Okay, so first of all, you know about solution. Okay, solute and solvent. Solute and solvent. Solute like salt or sugar, and solvent like water. And solution, their mixture. So now this is the solution, salt solution. Salt solution. When you heat up, so the water evaporate, and the remaining what's there? Water evaporation, and remaining salt there. So like this, the salt remain on the same place, and water evaporate in the air because of heat. So most of the salt we put on our food comes from seawater, obviously. So salt, now you know about solute, solvent, and solution. Solute may be different thing. Okay, maybe sugar, maybe salt, maybe different on any other things. Maybe this is a different fruit, and solvent, maybe water, maybe milk, different items, different liquids. Sorry. So you can make mixture. So this is the solution. Here you can see the solution easily. Solute plus solvent equal solution. You cannot see the solute in a solution after it has dissolved. Obviously, here you cannot easily measure, so you cannot see the solution after it's dissolved. The particles of the solution, solute move in between the solvent particles when they dissolve. So after this, you have an activity 3.4, making a solution. It's simple. You can easily do this activity at your home. Fill the glass like three-quarter full of water. Put a teaspoon of the copper sulfate. If no need, you don't have this. Take sugar, take something else, crystals into a jar and observe what happened. Write down your observation. What can you observe in the water around the copper sulfate draw. It's no need. Yes, you can do an activity at your home. Okay, take water, take sugar, put inside and solve it. Make solution and check. And after this, you can see salt or sugar inside the glass, inside the water. After making solution, okay. Another activity. Can you get the salt back? Okay, how you we get the salt back? Can you use your knowledge to evaporation to get solid salt from a salt solution? Make a salt solution from 5 ml of salt and 50 ml of water. Predict what will happen when you evaporate a salt solution. Give a reason. It's simple. No need to read all this. Just take metal or something, a bowl, put water, put some salt, make solution, finish. Now put on the stove and above the heat and open the stove and after some time check it. The water is still there or evaporate in the air. So what's remaining in your bowl and check it. Okay, what you have learned in this lesson, a solution is made up of solute dissolved in a solvent. Yes, a solution is the mixture of solute and solvent. The particles of the solute move in between the solvent particles when they dissolve, so you cannot see the solute in the solution. Obviously, after finish, after a mixture of solute and solvent, so you cannot see in the solution the solute. It's not watchable because it's mixed with the solvent. When a liquid evaporates from a solution, when a liquid evaporate from a solution, the solid solute is left behind. Yes, obviously. So now the question, what you predict, what was your prediction correct? You can also say yes or no according to your predictions. So you can write yes or no at both cases, depend on prediction made. Okay, depending on your prediction made. Is it correct or incorrect? Suggest two way in which you obtain result faster. Obviously, it's very easy. In the last lesson, 3.2 or 3.3, if you put your pot in a warm place or in front of the fan, so in both cases, you can get your result faster. So we can write here any two suggestions such as use less water in the solution. Yes, also if you're using not too much water, less water, put container in the warm place, and you're putting your container or your bowl or any your glass put in the warmer place. Put container in a windy place, warmer place, windy place. Allow fan to blow on two containers. So like this with the help of air or with the help of heat. Okay, and you can get result faster. Write a conclusion by completing this sentence. I found out that it was impossible to separate a solid from a liquid by evaporation. So simple. I found out it is possible. It was possible. Same like this sentence may correct. I found out that it was possible to spread or yes, spread a solid from a liquid by evaporation. So possible or impossible? Possible. We will cut only this one. Okay, everyone. Page number 26, your homework. Take care. Goodbye. Activity book. Assalamu alaikum.